Hey guys. Hi. I'm really sorry for this random ass vlog. It's random as hell. But I'm just here to say hi. I just filmed this makeup look right here. Yeah. And I love it. But anywho, I'm also hungry, and so I'm about to go get food. I've been craving a veggie burger, so I'm about to go pick it up. I'm back from vacation. I need to get back on my health. I mean, I don't do bad. Like today I had like apples and peanut butter, strawberries, carrots, eggs. Like I'm okay, but I need a 6-pack. I just posted this picture on my Instagram story, and my best friend Julia just responded to it, and she was like, post! But I don't know if I'll post that. So guys, guess what? Say hi. Say hi to Kayla. Well, no, it didn't work out. In my head, basically I'm vlogging on like my camera, and then because I can see myself, but then I didn't realize that if I turn the camera this way, you can't see me anymore. Weird. Oh guys, guess what? Say hi. You guys, anywho, are going to come with me to pick up my food. I'm getting Silver Diner. Oh, I already told you that. But yeah, I'm getting Silver Diner. Craving a veggie burger. Like they have the best veggie burger. Sorry. My boyfriend left the juice out. I don't even drink juice. I literally buy it. I mean, I only drink it. Okay. I only buy juice because my boyfriend drinks it. And don't like if he pours himself a cup, then I just want a sip of his. But anyways, so I'm about to go. I guess I'll just take this whole thing. What do I need? My keys. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone in my back pocket, and then I'm gonna get my keys. I hope it's not raining because I'm not taking my umbrella. But yeah. This random vlog, y'all. I have a good parking spot too, so I hope it doesn't get. Oh, it's raining. Hold on. All right, so we're in the car, and you can't really like see me for real. I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna see how this works out. I ain't sorry. Nigga, now. I ain't sorry. You trying on me. I ain't thinking about you. Okay, so basically, I can't drive and film and all that at the same time, so put my phone down and I'll just talk to you guys when I get to Silver Diner. Okay? Okay. Hey y'all, I'm back home from Silver Diner, but my camera is like about to die, so I'm about to charge it, and I guess I'll see you in the next random ass clip. But yeah, so about to charge my cam, and I'll talk to you guys shortly. The last clip I had, I was going to Silver Diner. They're going to think that's my favorite place in the world. We're going for brunch. And we're going to go eat and drink mimosas. Yesterday, after work, I went to happy hour. And the deal was like $4. Ooh, did you hear that? The deal was like $4 rail drinks. And I was like, what is rail drinks? And then my coworker was like, the low of the low of the low. Not the top shelf. Not stuff that I know, but like stuff that I don't even know. I asked the waiter, I was like, do you guys have tequila? And he was like, yeah. I was like, what kind? I'm thinking like, you know, Patron. Well, I figured it wouldn't be that, but I don't know. He didn't even know the name of it. So I should have known not to drink it because now I have a really, really big headache. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Why aren't you guys saying hi? You're just letting me talk. But I'm here with you guys.
It's featuring.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Kayla featuring them. Okay, so we're here. And guess what? I got my first Bloody Mary. It's a spicy Bloody Mary. And I like it. It's like tomato juice, vodka. The rim has Old Bay around it, and then it has jalapenos. I like it. I'm just here, you know, at a silent table because, you know, nobody talks.
You was talking this whole time, Kay.
You're right. This is a tropical mimosa. And then this is just, we got a big ass cup of vodka.
This is water with vodka.
Water with vodka.
Different shit for niggas.
I'm so hungry, guys.
So hungry.
I want to taste it with the...
Those niggas can't eat glizzies in public no more, so I got an all burger today.
But yeah, I'm excited. I'll show you when we get our food.
Thank you, my good brother. See that swine, my brother?
Y'all, I switched my Bloody Mary for just a regular mimosa. I like it. I'm just not in the mood for it. It's like a lot. It's like drinking tomato soup, but like as a liquor drink. I got avocado toast, egg scrambled hard, and home fries. And then they got French toast, pancakes, home fries, eggs, meat. We're gonna eat and eat good. Hey guys, the food was so good. How did you like it?
It was delicious.
How'd you like it?
Just meet your gusto.
Look at this rock. It's cool. But yeah, guys. Now I think we're going back to the house. Me and Klein wrote a whole grocery list, but we're not going to the grocery store right now. Or the store period right now. But yeah. Low. Yeah. What'd you drop? Sugar. Ooh.
I don't got no more.
You ate all the Starburst I got you?
Yeah.
I saw one in the bed, and I was gonna eat it, but I was too lit to open the wrapper.
She had pizza under the pillows, bro. Gotcha. Like regular pizza slices.
By accident.
She was asleep next to the pizzas. And she woke up with pizza sauce on her forehead.
Good job.
Ain't bad. No cap.
I got so dark, guys. I don't want my tan to go away. I love being tan and dark. I'm a brown skin shawty. This is the darkest I've been in a minute, and I love it. I'm soaking it up. Like I soak up the sun. Because my name is Kayla. What's that? Vitamin D. I love that vitamin D. Who got a belt? And it's too big, so he needs to find somewhere to get extra holes in the belt. That way. This is the Ross that I went to get my little book bag and my wallet, my slides, and my Adidas shirt.
What?
I love Ross, y'all. That's Messiah.
How you know this name?
High school.
Messiah.
SOOO. I know him from school.
How you know
high
this
school.
nigga?
Fat as shit. Don't turn around for him.
I didn't. I looked for the car.
Gee. You blasted. I mean,
what?
you gotta turn right here.
But Messiah got you all fucked up.
I said blasted.
You all mixed up in the head and shit. Think about Messiah ass.
Crazy.
I stand in.
No, you want me to stay in the hot car?
It feels bumming.
I don't feel shit.
All of my fitness.
I'm going inside.
Everybody else is messing.
Because I'm going to take a stroll.
All right.
Ew, you like that?
Yeah. That's like delicious.
It's like juice, right?
Yeah.
Of course you like it.
I like you.
You love juice.
Bringing that match on right. She ain't that on just her hammer.
They don't do it. But there's another one by Walmart, but we don't got to do that today. You can do it tomorrow.
Yo.
Everybody letting Kayla over. This is like to be over.
Right.
This don't let me over. I usually got to wait for the car to come.
Temperature is a little hot, so we about to talk to you in a little bit. Thank you.